TOMLOV TRM101 7-inch IPS digital microscope, your all-in-one micro world explorer. Unleash the power of microscopic exploration with the TOMLOV TRM101. This isn't just a microscope, it's a versatile tool designed to elevate your hobbies and professional endeavors. Key features: professional soldering station, equipped with a dedicated workspace, heat-resistant pad, and organized compartments. This microscope is a solderer's dream. Crystal clear imaging, immerse yourself in stunning visuals thanks to the 7-inch IPS screen and powerful 28 LED ring light. Unmatched zoom, explore the micro world with incredible detail using the 50x to 1600x magnification range. Intuitive control, effortlessly navigate and capture moments with sensitive touch control and a convenient wireless remote. Share your discoveries, connect to your computer, record videos, and capture images to share your passion with the world. User-friendly design, simple operation for everyone, from beginners to experts. Whether you're inspecting intricate electronics, exploring the beauty of nature, or simply satisfying your curiosity, the TOMLOV TRM101 is your ultimate companion. Package includes microscope, soldering station, soldering pad, bracket, 32GB micro SD card, wireless remote, USB cable, user manual. Discover the unseen. Experience the extraordinary.